Hello guys, Namaste. Welcome to another video tutorial of Android tricks. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to record your Android screen. The application you need is A to Z Video Recorder. So without wasting any time, I'll directly move with the tutorial of this application. As you can see on the home screen, I have A to Z screen recorder and 4 options with it: record, setting, album and exit. I'll press record to start recording my screen. In 3, 2, 1. The screen has started recording. As you can see on the top of the notification bar, I have a video recorder option like an icon which displays that my recording has started. Now I'll go in menu and browse through my phone. Let's go in WhatsApp. No WhatsApp. Let's go in Snapchat. A fun fact, with this application you can also take a screenshot of someone's snap story and he won't even know. How cool is that? Click that icon again to stop the recording. As you can see on the top, I have already got a notification that my video has saved. I'll go to MX Player and at the top of the screen I have A to Z recorder free folder in which the video I recorded now is already saved. I'll click it to open it. The brightness is low because the settings of my MX Player is low. As you can see, when I increased my brightness of MX Player, my video brightness was also high. So that's it. This is how you record your screen on Android. This application is only for 5.0. Yes, you heard it right, only for 5.0. But no worries, I'll be uploading another video for those who are not on Android 5.0. Although you will need a root access for it, but I'll be posting that video soon. So guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it and share it.